Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AliExpress for fast dropshipping, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating an AliExpress account if you don't already have one. Visit the AliExpress website or download the mobile app. Search for the products you want to dropship using relevant keywords. Use filters to narrow down your search by categories, price, and shipping options. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive feedback to ensure product quality. Check the shipping methods available for each product. Select products with e-packet or other fast shipping options to minimize delivery times. Add your selected products to your wishlist or shopping cart for easy access. Open a separate browser or tab and choose a dropshipping platform, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Integrate your AliExpress account with your chosen dropshipping platform using an app or plugin. Import your selected products into your dropshipping store directly from AliExpress. Set your retail prices, taking into account shipping costs and desired profit margins. Customize product descriptions and titles to make them appealing to potential customers. Create engaging visuals by using high-quality images from AliExpress or creating your own. Launch your store once you've added enough products and optimized your store layout. Promote your store through social media, ads, or influencers to attract customers. Monitor your orders closely to ensure timely fulfillment from AliExpress. Communicate effectively with your customers about shipping times and order updates. Handle any customer inquiries or complaints promptly for a smooth shopping experience. Continuously analyze your sales data to determine which products are performing well. Make adjustments to your product offerings based on market trends and customer feedback. Revisit AliExpress frequently for new product opportunities and updates on existing listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.